Starting a business is difficult, but starting the right business at the right time can change your future. In this video, we are sharing 21 manufacturing business ideas that are in high demand for the future economy. Number 1. Printed circuit board manufacturing. Number 2. Lithium-ion battery manufacturing. Number 3. Semiconductor packaging. Number 4. Industrial automation equipment manufacturing. Number 5. Solar mounting structure manufacturing. Number 6. Agricultural tool manufacturing. Number 7. Modular office furniture manufacturing. Number 8. Plastic injection molded products manufacturing. Number 9. Automation equipment manufacturing. Number 10. EV charging equipment manufacturing. Number 11. Protein snacks manufacturing. Number 12. Vertical farming equipment manufacturing. Number 13. Construction material manufacturing. Number 14. Mycelium packaging manufacturing. Number 15. Smart home device manufacturing. Number 16. Dental products manufacturing. Number 17. Label and sticker manufacturing. Number 18. Fiber optic cable manufacturing. Number 19. Hospital furniture manufacturing. Number 20. Biodegradable packaging manufacturing. Number 21. Robotics components manufacturing. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.